Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make coloring books for kids on Canva for Amazon KDP. So first thing, go to canva.com, and now guys, you will have two methods. So for the first method is you can just simply search some contents in Canva over here on the top and search for coloring books. Now, from here, guys, you will have multiple templates that you could just simply select, and you could just simply go ahead and select one, and you could just simply customize this template. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and have these templates over here. Now, guys, you could just simply change it based on your preferences, and you could just simply click on share on the top right, and you can just simply download them, and you can just simply print them out. Now, another option is you could just simply go ahead and create a design on the top left over here. So from here, just simply select a size that you prefer. Let's say I'm going to go for digital notebook cover. So guys, you could just simply select anything. Now go for the elements on the left side over here, and you could search over here, coloring book. And after that, here on the graphics, you could just simply click on see all, and you should be able to have here multiple options as well. And you could just simply add it based on your design. So pretty much this will be depending on you, and you can just simply be creative with it, and you can just simply add your own design, and that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. See ya.